So I'm starting this makeup look by using this facial mist from Fresh Skin Love, which I bought from Watsons. And by the way, she is 𝓒𝓗𝓲𝓼𝓽𝓲𝓪, my super close friend. And I really love her skin tone and beauty. That's why I always wanted to put on makeup to her. And for the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, and I think it's a little light for her since I already decluttered my other foundation, so I have no choice. So everything that I'll be using in this video is the only products I have now. Maybe I'll try to invest again soon. So when blending foundation, it's really time consuming because I want it to be perfectly even and properly distributed. It elaborate her face and also apply foundation on your neck. For the concealer, I forgot what brand is this, but I'm just going to put it in the description box below, the products that I've used for this makeup look. So I used the darker shade of the concealer since the other one is too much lighter for her skin tone. So I'm just going to apply it on her under eyes, forehead, nose bridge, cupid's bow, and her chin. This concealer is not full coverage. I just used it to lighten some parts of her face. For the setting powder, I used this Innisfree No Sebum Blur Powder. To be honest, I'm always using the 𝓲𝓘𝓗𝓗𝓬𝓏 Final Powder, but as I've said a while ago, I already decluttered a lot of makeup products. That's why I need to invest for more. I'm just going to dab it on the area where I applied concealer. This will help it to stay longer. After that I'm just going to brush it off the excess powder, then proceed to the face powder. I'm using the Maybelline powder. Actually, this is just a refill, that's why it looks small. And there's me. Gusto lang ng exposure. Next is for the eyebrows. I decided for natural looking brows only because her eyebrows is a little bit thick and it needs to get thread first in order to get its shape properly. Let's proceed for contouring. I'm using this Beauty Glaze Color Studio and I'm starting with her nose using a medium brown shade. And I'm just using this brush to remove all the harsh lines because it would be awkward if your nose line is too dark and not well blended. So to clean it up, I'm just using the Innisfree No Sebum Blur Powder again to put some dimension to the side of her nose bridge and brushing it off afterwards. Next is to contour her cheeks which she really loved it because it makes her face look slim and well-defined. And to make it well-defined, I just repeated what I did to her nose earlier. And lastly is to contour her jawline and forehead. For the eyeshadow is from Beauty Glazed again. This is their Perfect palette. But before applying some eyeshadow, I applied a eye primer first. This will help on making the eyeshadow last longer, and using concealer pencil in order to make the eyeshadow color to pop more. For the base color, I applied a white shade and proceed to applying transition color to her eyelids. I just used here a light brown shade. We've noticed that the color payoff on the camera is different on off-cam. That's why we adjusted the settings of my phone a little bit. For the second shade is I used medium dark brown. For this look, I decided to create a cut crease because I already did this look to her, but it's not that good like I did right now. That's why I'm happy that she also loved this makeup look. So for the eyeliner, I didn't go on a wing eyeliner since she requested a more simple makeup look. Believe me guys, this is one of the part where I find it difficult because I have shaky hands. So struggle is real. So hi, it's me again. So for the blush, it is a palette again from Beauty Color Studio, and I just use a smaller brush in order for me to control the amount I'm applying to her face. Using the same brush, I'm applying a champagne color to the temples of her face. So for her lips, I used the color red tint in the shade Zola. And there you go. I'm just finishing off with facial mist. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!